There's the cable drums.
The tiptoes on the bedroom floor, these quiet.
Alright, I'm going to do a short run here to, hopefully to a mine. I don't know if I can get to it or not. I've never been to it. On Google it shows a road washed out or something through a swamp, so I don't know. Okay, we got to be coming up to a washout up here. Yeah, it's another swamp. They're right in front of me. They got a box. I wonder if they're maybe they're prospectors or something. Sloppy. Wasn't much of a washout, more just high water. Looks like yeah, some waste rock here. Got some wood over there. Let's take a quick walk in here. I know I'll be surprising those guys when I pull in. Definitely a waste rock. Some kind of old bin. This mine was, I believe it was a copper mine. This could be the back of a truck, actually. I believe it was a copper mine and ran 1971, 2, and 3, and I think that was it. Old tailgate. Chevrolet. Huh. Okay, let's go surprise those guys and see what they got to say. Pretty sure this is Crown land. This looks more interesting than through there. Might be some newer activity up here. Yeah. All the core samples. A slab where there probably was a shaft. I think the shaft was 400 feet, something like that, deep. Tons and tons of core samples. old laptop. Seen better days. Nice. Just all core samples through here. I think there's a couple of rows of them. Nothing too exciting from the looks of it. Looks like they rehabilitated this one too. Some kind of structure over here. Kind of steel structure. I guess in the 70s it would be steel. There, that was part of the mill. There's the cable drums. Spikes, or tracks used to be. I hear something up further. They're probably doing some work up there. An old stove shot to hell. Got the pipes going in here. Kind of water pump maybe sat here. Quite possible. An old lampshade and the exterior lights. Kinds of weird and wonderful things, eh? Well, let's go check out these buildings there. The winches are over there. That's cool, the winches are still here. Like a little cylinder head maybe. Part of the mill or warehouse? Find a way in here. General electric resistor, kind of electric stuff. This is the winch house. Lots of these. Those are some big winches. Cable's all gone. So that's where the head frame was, over that shaft. Big gears, big gears. There's the handles for braking and selecting the depth. Oh, that's a wood. What do we got here? I'm stepping on. July 20, 1970. Probably a 0 or a 1. JL. I'll make enough noise. Somebody will come running. That's the brake. Wood shoes on it. Actuators, one of those is brake for both of them. Some interesting stuff here. This one looked like a brake, maybe. Ontario Hydro. Some little shacks that are all trashed here. Little heater. Big old hornet's nest. I don't know if this was all one piece or what. Might have been. The middle's collapsed. There, plumbing. Couple little tanks. You're welcome. Shasta. Those water tanks? Maybe, eh? That's about the most interesting part of this whole thing so far is the winches. I don't see anything up here. Oh yeah. The drums, the winch drums go off there, right that corner where the head frame would have been over that shaft. Very cool. Something here at least. Heavy duty. Little pulleys up there. Something hung down all the way along there. Little pulleys. Huh. I don't know if there's anything else here. Little lockers. Definitely the mill. Winch house, probably mill. And the head frame used to probably sit on those little foundations over there and there, down here, right in line with the winches. Unfortunately, no head frame anymore. Okay. That's probably about it. I don't want to go disturb those guys. Probably doing some reclamation work over there or something. Apparently in 1993, when they did a survey here, that head frame was still standing. Obviously, when they recapped this, I think it said 2000 that they capped it properly. So they probably tore down the head frame then. So we're 24 years too late. That's okay. At least he left the winches. That's kind of cool. Right on. Short but sweet. That is a copper mine. It was a copper mine. Hope you enjoyed the quick tour.